Alright, guys, it's me, Diazaman here. I got a lock from, I ordered from Romania, from Medreana Simple Life. It's a salvage, they salvaged European treasures, vintage, antique, industrial. And these are the 3 keys that are serial numbered with special serial numbers on them. Hopefully you can see that these are cool keys. Like now I know they're really neat keys. You know, I have these hand and serial numbers, which I'll explain either now or in the thing later, in the description. I've had this open, but this is how I opened it. I had not opened the lock. It's not, I can't pick it because I don't know how, and I haven't even opened it because I've been waiting to do this on camera. So I got a screwdriver, and they aren't the originals, I don't believe, because it's one's bigger and one's smaller. I'll show you how the lock works first. Okay, locks once, and then you turn it twice, and you've got double lock. It's a pretty cool key. I really think the key is very cool because of the split in the center. That's what I don't. Plus, I don't know how to pick these to begin with. Well, I do kind of, but anyway, here we go. And then this closes it. And so it's a lever style lock. I'm not sure about the double part, what that means. I'm gonna try and get a look at inside of it. I'm using something better than that. I knew I'd have to do something stupid. Hey. Oh my gosh. I may not even be able to do, I may have to do another take. No. I just found this flathead. Like, that's basically the reason I never took it apart before. It's because I tried and they were really tight like that. This one's loose now though. And okay, I can take it. Let me try something here. See, tension tools. Actually, this is from a storm tension tool. I hope you can hear me better than that sound. I don't. There we go. Bear with me. Before I take it apart, I'm going to once again show you the close up. I'll do it from behind. Whoa, I shouldn't have done that. Whoa, this is making a big mess. Okay, we're not doing that. We're losing parts. So, there, I lost that cover. The springs just flew, so now I'm not going to know how it went together. Why don't I have something better on hand? Homemade pick. There we go. Why isn't this coming apart? There we go. Okay. That's the cover. There's a piece that has to go somewhere, and I don't know where. There, the keys are. Okay. Now let's take a look. It's got one highly greased, heavily, totally greased up. One top, 2, 3, 4. So I forget what those are called. The gate, four levers. Yeah, those are the 4 levers, I think. This is working fine. It only has 1 spring to work it. I'm not going to bother taking that out. There's all kinds of little adjustments in here. Here's the other cover, like key cover. It's pretty cool. Oh, I'm probably not showing you guys anything. Sorry. Here's the inside here. Those are all the leaves. They're the I forget. I'm really unprepared, which I apologize for. Nothing is on camera. I don't know what's going on, but there's the stuff there. Okay, it's only got the 1 spring. And that one, now I'm going to put it back together. Hopefully, this would be 1, 2, 3. I should be cleaning all this, maybe. These have got springs, but they're broken. Ah, this is the only one with the spring left. Means this lock is in pretty rough shape, but I'm happy still. I might have a problem putting this in. I don't know where it goes because I didn't see where it came out of. Well, you know what? I'm going to end the video in this mess because there's no way I will get this back together. I can't. I don't think. I will try though eventually to do something with this. It was a very cool lock. It's called. Oh shoot! I'll put the name and everything in the description and in the title. So if anybody knows where that piece goes, let me know. If you have an idea and you can tell me, I'll probably figure it out. But thanks for watching. This is probably a really shitty video, but see you later.